You can scale up your earnings on a weekly basis or a monthly basis depending on your performance, right? So the reason why I say trading is the last go-to for people who want to become wealthy without having to deal with other people, basically. Because when you're a trader, you don't have to talk to nobody. When you're a trader, you don't have to listen to anybody. When you are a trader, you are your own boss. Nobody tells you what to do. You tell yourself what to do. And that is the main reason why most people keep failing, because nobody is there to force them to do the right thing. Nobody is there to push you to behave your best when you're trading, when you're in the markets, when you're looking at these charts, right? I get it. The freedom is nice. The pace is nice. The accessibility is nice. The convenience is nice. But do you have the willpower to withstand the amount of pain you're going to face, the amount of struggle, the amount of resistance? Because trust me, when you're beginning to learn how to trade, it is very difficult to get to terms with the reality of the markets, because you're going to want to make money quick. You're going to want to earn really fast. You're going to want to be profitable on the first day, on the second day. But when it comes to trading, it doesn't work like that. You have to listen. Trading is the same as any other career in life, except that it is very, 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 very difficult to realize or to accept that what you're looking for, or the problem with your results, is not that the market is against you, or because the market is there to take your money. No, you cannot accept that the problem is with yourself. It is you who is holding yourself back. This same move that I caught here from this point that is running, and my TP is right above these highs here. This same move, somebody went short here, somebody went short here, somebody went short here, somebody's going to go short here on this double top. They will think this is a double top, or they will think this is resistance. They will think this is resistance right here, and somebody is going to go short here. And guess the fuck what? This price is going to purge this level, and it's going to go up here on these levels right here. And I know this based on experience. I know this based on a huge amount of fucking time, bro. Based on hours upon hours upon hours of studying. My goal is to become rich. My goal is to become wealthy. I have what I need. I know where I'm going. So boom, 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 boom. Fast forward a couple of months after I understand the market, a couple of years after I understand price action, I'm like, wait a minute. How the hell am I still broke? How the hell am I not making money? How the hell am I not seeing the results? How? I have the strategy. I know what to do. How the fuck am I not making money? Right? If what I am doing, or what I need to do, is exactly what the top level traders are doing, why is it that I'm not getting the same results as them? Why is it that I'm losing and they're winning? Then I realized, like, wait a minute. Okay, maybe it's me. Maybe I'm the problem. And that is when I started looking in, and that is when I started paying attention, and that is when I started diving deeper within myself to understand what is going on. It is because I was bored. I was bored with life. I was bored and I was looking for a quick fix, and the market became an obsession. So I was looking for wins. I was looking for winners. I hated losing, bro. I hated losing on a trade. I hated it. So with that, it's like this thing became an obsession for me, and all I wanted was to win. But with that, I held myself back because the market is not one-sided. You cannot win all the time, bro. You cannot win all the time. And that is why we use proper risk management, and that is why we have good risk to reward ratios, and that is why we have trading plans to help keep us in the right direction, to help keep us focused on the reality of the markets. This is not a get rich quick scheme, bro. This is everything that people are looking for but do not know it exists. How many people do you know about trading? How many people actually are doing it on a level that is actually professional? How many people are there and are actually successful? But when you understand that your dreams are your own, your dreams are for yourself, they are not for anybody, then you are going to understand that it is only you who can make them true. It is all up to you. If you decide to change today, then everything is going to change today. But if you hold yourself back, if you let yourself stay on the ground when you fall, if you let yourself feel pity for yourself, you are not going to get anywhere. So as I was saying, people are going short right here, and you're going to see later. I'm going to post a screenshot or something because I want to end this recording right now. You're going to see how this price evolves. But if it goes short from here and takes out the swing low here, then it is what it is. We can't get them all right? It's your boy OMG Peeps. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe. Let's get it.
And remember, in forex we're talking about money. We came in this game for money. We came in this game to earn a living. So we are not here to play games.